walls that are going to be used. So in this ring system or circular system, we are going to have a main line. So these main lines will be circulated from left and right side. That means when we talk about ring road, that means it covers outskirts of the town. Likewise, the ring system, in this particular ring system, the supply line is covered around the distribution district. So it's very important. The branches are connected to this particular main in crosswise and also to each other. So it's very important. So these particular the branch lines are connected to the main lines crosswise and they have been connected to each other also. So here we are going to provide the walls. The system possesses same advantages and disadvantages as the grid system. But there is one limitation. That means we should have well connected roads, so that we are going to have the network in the form of loop system. That means the water has to be recirculated. Otherwise, we have to go for either dead end system or grid end system. Nowadays, we are making use of what is called as a radial system. So what is this radial system? So it's very important. Let us consider the main line. In the radial system, or we call it as circular system also, so wherein the main line will be supplying, this is a main line, this main line will be supplying the treated water to the distribution reservoir, that means the elevated reservoirs. These are the elevated reservoirs. That means the water from the main line is being supplied to distribution reservoir. This distribution reservoir is going to store the water, and the storage capacity of these reservoirs will be usually 1/3 the capacity of daily requirement as a thumb rule. This water will be later on circulated in all the possible directions. So the flow patterns will be radially towards the periphery of the distribution system. That's why it is called as radial system. So in today's class we have discussed various distribution systems, that is methods of supplying the water by gravity, by combined, that is by gravity as well as pumping, and by pumping alone. Layouts we have discussed: dead end system, grid iron system, ring system, and radial system. So dead end system, this is the first one, or we call it as tree system, that we have discussed. The second one we have discussed is grid iron system. It is also called as reticulation system. The third one we have discussed is circular system, or ring system. And the fourth one we have discussed is radial system. In most of the cases nowadays we are going for radial system. Everywhere we are going for construction of the elevated storage reservoir, and from there the water will be distributed radially towards the periphery of the distribution district. So with this I'll just conclude. Thank you.